Hello everyone, it's Tierra here with Tierrafae Creations. Come along with me as I make a Christmas themed soap. I actually came up with the idea for this soap last year, and due to the timing, I had to wait a full year to make it. The theme for this one is Christmas caroling. So last year I had stumbled across some music note molds, and the idea of a Christmas carol soap came about. So I decided to do layers on this bar, just like the bars you would find in musical notation. And I chose some festive colors of green, red, and white. And to add some more design and a bit of definition, I took some gold mica and I just sprinkled that in between each of those layers. I scented this soap with Alpine Frost by Brambleberry. The notes include bergamot, eucalyptus, sparkling icicle, thyme, basil, iris, amber, cedarwood, and musk. It's a very wintry and fresh scent. I was imagining singing Christmas carols on a fresh, crisp, and cold Christmas night. Say that 3 times fast. Here's where those music notes come into play. Each bar is topped with one. And to make the top as festive as the inside, I went ahead and added some green and red glitter, and also some biodegradable snowflake glitter. Don't mind the 3-month-old in the background yelling at me. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite Christmas song is. So after letting this sit for 24 hours, it is time to cut into it and see what it looks like on the inside. I was a little bit worried when I first cut into the soap and saw the colors. That is not at all what I was going for. The green looks gray and the red just was not bright enough. But don't worry, they sat for a little bit and they changed to the colors they're supposed to be. You'll see that in the end. Final touch is to add some music notes to the front. And if you know anything about music and music notes, these are backwards. Thanks to the makers of the mold, that's how they come out. And I looked and looked for another one, but this will have to do. It's not perfect, but you get the point. There were a few setbacks on this bar, but in the end, I think it is my favorite. I want to make another version next year and maybe put a bell on it and call it Jingle Bells. If you want to put this in someone's stocking, head over to our website, tierrafaecreations.com, and be sure to grab a bar or 2. Also, have you liked and followed for more soap making videos?